Hi there, this guy again. So throughout the last few days, we've talked to you about the types of tent that we do, the different accessories that you can put in there, things that can really elevate your event from not much to a great deal. So yeah, we've covered the roof, we've covered the decoration. What's going to go under your feet? So in events industries, in the hiring industry, we know you can either get the big boards that you might lay down there, or the roll track flooring that you can get. We also supply Gala Tent, a rubberized matting that can protect both the grass and your feet. But what we're also suppliers of is a premium quality flooring tile called Swisstrax. Now, we're one of only a couple of official stockists within the UK, so we're one of the only places that you can get Swisstrax. It is an incredibly fantastic product. It's very, very popular with in home garages, with people with the man caves, in swimming pools, or gyms and things like that. But it is also extremely effective as event flooring within a marquee or within a gazebo. It's available in up to 18 different colours. Each tile is 40 centimetres by 40 centimetres by 18 millimetres. It is quite a thick tile. It is 6 millimetres thicker than the nearest competitor of that kind of flooring. It's self-draining, it's non-slip, so that your guests are not going to be falling over if there's a rain. It is self-draining, so if it is raining, that water will drip off beneath the tiles and disperse evenly, which keeps your guests' shoes dry. It's resistant to acids, alkalis, oils, other abrasive fluids. It can take temperatures of -22 up to plus 248 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a great product, let me tell you. So what else can you do with this floor? You can create a dance floor from it. We can get black and white. Do you want one? I can sort you one. The weight capacity on this stuff is incredible. 70,000 pounds rollover capacity in terms of weight. That's like 35 tons. It's got 5,120 psi pressure resistance. So it doesn't matter whether you've got an entire family wedding on there, whether you've got a DJ and they're set up, the full kit, the speakers, the decks and what have you, even a little stage. This flooring can take it. It's an incredibly robust flooring. It comes with a lifetime warranty. What about if you've got your marquee or your gazebo or your clear span, your setup, whatever that setup is, if it's on hard standing ground, for example concrete in a car park, Swisstrax flooring will elevate your guests' feet up from the ground, which then it can make the room feel a lot warmer already. We've done it before, we'll do it again. Another good thing about Swisstrax is the flooring design options that you've got are virtually unlimited. So what about pricing? Swisstrax flooring comes from approximately £30 a square metre. Now that might seem expensive for event flooring, but once you see it, once you see what it can do, and once you've still got it in 15 years time doing exactly the same as it did 15 years ago, you won't question why you paid that money. So if you are interested in taking Swisstrax event flooring, give us a call on 01709 242454 and have a chat to the team. Let us know the length and the width of the space that you want to cover, and we'll be more than happy to create you a bespoke design, a bespoke price, and we'll get you sorted for you and your event now.